Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you are looking for an LED multicolor color changing drone that connects to a phone, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you tell us what you think about our drone here? But no way whatsoever this being provided to me a fitness review. I'm just gonna keep it real. This thing is legit. So what all do you get? So you get the drone and all of the very cool light options that you get. And note that the camera here is connected to the phone. So there is a phone app, very easy to use the instructions, basically to scan a QR code and then you follow a couple prompts and then it's all good. Very, very cool. One cool thing about the drone is that all the blades are completely covered. And so it's going to be very challenging to potentially damage these. It also comes with 4 replacement blades. It comes with the screwdriver. It comes with the tool to take things on and off. Comes with a USB to USB-C for charging. And it doesn't come with just one battery. It comes with a second battery. And they just snap in here. So when you're using this and it gets low, you plug in the new one, plug the old one back and get it charged, and you have endless fun with the old drone. But the illumination on this is really, really cool. It also comes with some additional rings in case those get damaged, and it comes with a travel sack to put everything in. The remote has everything. It also has a cell phone holder. The cell phone holder and app is not required to get full use out of this. Every single feature, for the most part, can be used just using the remote that comes with it. There's a button that allows you to take off and land. You can also throw the drone in the air and it will automatically recognize that it's already in the air and it will immediately capture itself and get to flying. There are 2 speed modes. There's also a mode that allows it to go in circles, making sure that there's enough space to do so. It also will allow you to do trick flips, which is really pretty cool. You can change the actual colors while you're flying it to a whole bunch of different things. Some of the colors are gonna like move it around and really kind of customize the look of this, which makes it really fun when it gets at nighttime. Another cool benefit is if this happens to ding into something, immediately it shuts off. So if you hit a wall or something like that where you wouldn't want it to keep trying to fly, as soon as it taps something, at least from our use with it, it instantly turns off. And I think that's a good thing to prevent it from damaging itself. Very, very cool. And it's extremely light. I mean, this thing is ounces in weight. This is square in overall shape. That's about 5 3/4 inch by 5 3/4 inch. And it's only about 1.5 inches to 2 inches thick. Very, very cool. When using the app, the video, it can do video or it can also do pictures, and those images and videos are stored in the app, and then you can kind of do whatever you want with them. There's also some cool features that allow you to not only record and do all that stuff, but you can customize your flying pattern just by using your finger, which is also pretty cool. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this very, very cool custom LED RGB drone, and we'll talk to you soon.